Yeah, we train them really well around here. Good morning, everyone. We're doing more holiday themed things. A lot of Christmas wrapping. There's a few things that I need to I don't know what I'm looking for. It would just be like a browse situation. When I do that, I'll definitely bring you. I'm going to the gym with Jake this morning. Also, speaking of Jake, I did an episode of his podcast. I'll put a link to it in the description box if you haven't watched it. I'm probably boring you with how much I do the same makeup routine, so we don't have to go into depth, but I always have everything I use on my like to know it if you're new, or if you forget, or if I don't mention what something is. As I was falling asleep last night, all I could think about was like, oh my god, I'm so excited for coffee in the morning. I couldn't get it off my mind. That's pretty much like every night. And I like coffee, I like the taste, I like how it makes me like feel energized, but I think it's like that routine and ritual of waking up, grinding my coffee beans, putting it on the coffee pot. Like, I like the whole process. So easy when you have your routine on lock and you just come in 5 minutes. I've actually been recording for 4 minutes, so that's how long that just took me. Great, love it.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, what a cute camera. You just got this?
No, I've had this for years.
Of course I don't pay attention. Is this new too?
No, I've had this
For years.
for just for like.
Wait, I want that back.
I got it in Italy this summer, actually.
Wow.
Well, it's Christmassy.
Morning, Dominic.
I was just like, I was telling him how I
Are you checking out your six-pack?
What up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life.
I haven't done strength training in a really long time. I feel like I've been doing a lot of like walking and Pilates, so that like took it out of me, but it was really great. I'm about to hop in the shower and I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing a lot for my current hair routine. I always get questions on my hair care and my hair routine. The first thing I always get questions if my hair is dyed or what color I ask for, stuff like that. This is actually my natural hair color at the moment. I went through a phase where I dyed it red and then I dyed it black. It was a disaster, and so now we're back to the natural color, which I honestly love. This company, Fable in Maine, I've been using for probably a month or two now, maybe 2 months, maybe longer. I just love this brand. They are partnering with me on this video, but I would talk about them regardless if this was a sponsorship or not, because the stuff smells amazing, it feels amazing, it works. It's sold at Sephora. I'll put all the links down below, but I've been using their pre-wash hair oil a lot. I like putting this in my hair before I go and I sit in the sauna. It's been really nice, and I feel like I'm getting all the benefits while I'm taking my sauna. Leave on for at least 5 minutes or overnight for best results. So I am just going to take the dropper and then I just distribute this on the roots, in the middle of my hair. And you can do at least one. I do a few drops. And I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for probably 10-15 minutes. I have a couple work things I have to do that my agents are texting me about right now. So I'll let this sit while I do that. Just run my hands through it, get my hair nice and greasy. This is a really good look. Rub it in my hands and do it all over my hair because why not? I feel like that's good. So I'm going to let this sit and then I'm just going to wash my hair and then I'll show you a few other products that I've been loving. Okay, we're back. I'm using Fable and Main's Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. I love this. It detangles your hair, obviously. It smells amazing. And I've been brushing my hair out like this. So it kind of naturally dries the way I brush it, if that makes sense. This is kind of how I want my hair to dry. So like my hair kind of dries this way and then that way. Does that make sense to you? Like I want my hair to dry back and then the front kind of like that way. I'm also using Fable and Main's Moisturizing Volume Spray. This is really great also before you style your hair with heat. I've been liking just doing it on my wet hair and letting it air dry because in my experience, it still gives some good volume. Again, brush the way I want it to dry. That's the current hair care routine, which has been great. So I'll link everything down below. This hair oil is still the best scent ever. I don't know what I'm doing next, but I'll see you when I see you. I think I'm going to my sister's tonight and we're cooking. So I'll film that. I'm at Bella's.
So you didn't even, okay, so, chef sign in.
My mom's learning how to work
How would
a
I find my
TV.
password? How did your password just? Because it's on my phone.
And I wanted to show you my hair. Don't you think my hair looks good?
Oh.
Do you think my hair looks good?
Yeah, you're so skinny and beautiful and your hair's so
No, I mean like it air dried really nicely, right?
Yeah, that's air dried.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm at Bella's. This is what's in my bag. Butter and an avocado. We are going to make dinner and then we're also making Christmas cookies for my neighbors. I'm just gonna kind of show you snippets as we cook. I think we're doing tacos really easy. I think we're just gonna do like ground chicken and this seasoning. We'll make the Christmas cookies, which I'm so excited. I'm mostly just excited to give them to my neighbors. Okay, this is what we've got going on. Sauteed onions, and then I'm gonna do the ground chicken in here. This is kind of the color you want. shopping was very successful, and now I'm going to the grocery store. These are the little cookie boxes. That's one I did last night. And then we did the other cookies in here. And I just wrote, contains almond extract. They're really cute. I'm home now, obviously. I'm just going to wrap these up and then drop them off. Morning! Next day, I'm wrapping some Christmas presents right now, so I thought I would show you.